Yo, what's up YouTube? Just got this ticket because I was on the way home from work, so I got it. And then it's a winning, guys. This is the California lottery, the street state made or the third one, I guess. It win. I got then $20 over here. See over here. And then 15 over here and 15 over here. 23 and 29. You see that? Alright, thank you for watching, guys. And $50. So far I got $75. My money back of $100 that I spent. I still have 3 tickets of California left. Well, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.